Hi, in this video I want to show you how to handle color grading when you have clips from different cameras like GoPro, DJI or Sony camera. This is mainly for the beginners. Without further ado, let's start. So this is the timeline of my travel video. Lots of clips, as you see they require color grading to look consistent and so on. I will not focus on color grading itself, this is more how to organize your work in a color page. So first, you should consider to create separate bins for each camera in media page. So let's switch to the media page. In my case, it's GoPro, DJI and FX30, which is a Sony camera. Now attribute color flags to them. For example, for FX30, I will set the green flag. In order to do it, select all the clips in the FX30 bin, right-click, flags, green. I will do the same for DJI, blue, and GoPro, yellow. So now if you switch back to color page, in the clips panel, if you don't see it, enable it by clicking clips. You can now easily recognize telling by the color of the flag which clip is from which camera. Okay, so now you can narrow down this view by opening clips drop-down menu, flagged clips, green. So now you see only clips from the one camera, in my case FX30. Select random clip, tap Ctrl A to select them all, right-click and choose Add into a new group. Name it accordingly. Let me repeat it for DJI clips and GoPro. Okay, so as you see, now we can easily switch between different camera clips. To view all the clips, just choose All Clips. So what does it give us? First off, you can color grade group of clips at the same time. So let's say all the GoPro clips are too exposed, too bright. Just select one of them and switch from clip to group post clip. Now every change you're gonna apply in group post clip mode, it will affect all the clips in the group. To fine-tune just one clip, switch back to clip mode. This will only affect selected clip. The structure of the notes depends on your skill and experience and of course preference. But there is a basic rule of thumb to not color grade everything using only one note. A quick tip for you as a beginner, create at least 3 serial notes as a good start. Select the note, Alt-S to create a new one. Label them and try to make exposure, saturation and contrast changes in separate notes. But that is a topic for another video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.